不伤很多。
Hello everyone and Happy New Year! My name is Samatha Xiong and I'm your contestant from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I'd like to thank our judges for being here today. It's a pleasure to be standing in front of you all. When thinking about what our hmong national costume should be, without a nation or one country to belong to, I chose to emphasize the importance of the mountains as our native home. Because no matter where you are now, or what country you live in, our home roots will always be tied to the mountains. Mountains are often symbolized as obstacles. But for us Hmong people, whose resilience has been tested throughout history, we dared to climb them and call them home. We did not view them as obstacles, but as a sign of freedom. Freedom to live as we choose, to be able to honor our traditions and beliefs. The mountains allowed us to preserve our culture and remain, as the word hmong means, free. From China, then crossing the red and green rivers to Southeast Asia, we have always found refuge in the mountains, where we built our villages, raised our children, and cultivated our agricultural lifestyle that we are known for. The mountainside lands sustained our livestock and provided us with crops such as rice, a staple to all our meals, medicinal herbs to help us heal, and opium, our only cash crop that allowed us to move forward along with the changing world. Like parents and their children, we took care of the mountains, and the mountains took care of us. My hmong national costume is a thank you letter and a tribute to the mountain lands that raised us to be self-sufficient, persevering, and graceful, qualities we still carry with us today. And here we are now at the Madison Hmong New Year in our beautiful Hmong clothes, eating Hmong foods, shopping from our successful Hmong business leaders, and cheering for our favorite Hmong dancers. What a beautiful expression of the freedom to be Hmong we had back in the mountains. May we never forget where we came from and the mountains we had to climb to get here. The Dure Mupu Xiao Dong Gu Dong Bei Hmong Nhớ Xiong Xiong Xia.
Samatha Xiong, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Samantha Lu Hao Pia Lashi platform is. Samantha believes that health and wellness is the cornerstone to our quality of life. Healing begins with our health, which involves our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. She strives to bridge the connection between our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Her goal is to guide our Hmong people to better health and healing, so we can improve on our quality and to be the best version of ourselves.
Samatha, to shi de ro no sli mo just person ya chan ga Samatha to mo ke shi de ro no sli golden of ocean food Senko market stylist K ya na ya just person Samatha to mo ke shi de to ro no Samatha Xiong, Wisconsin 多。